Okay guys, so today we're talking decimals and I want you to be able to divide a decimal by a whole number using a place value chart. So let's start with an example. I have my place value chart here. This first example is going to be 7 and 28/100 divided by 4. Okay, so first I'm going to model 7 and 28/100 on my place value chart. So I have 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 2 tenths, 1, 2, and then 8/100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm dividing it into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to draw 4 groups here. Here's group 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to take my hundredths first. So I have 8/100 and I know that I can give 2 to each group. So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I just used 8/100, all 8 of these. Now I go to my 10th place. Now I have 2 tenths and I can't give at least 1 to each group. So I'm going to take one of my ones and I know that each one is 10 tenths. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough to give each group at least 1. So I have 12 tenths and I know that I can give each group 3 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I just used 12 of those tenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now here in my ones place I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. I can give each one 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm still left with 2 ones left over. And I can't give at least 1 to each. So I'm going to regroup this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can give 2 to each now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I just used 8 tenths, so I'm going to cross off 8 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I still have 2 tenths that I still need to divvy out. So I'm going to take my last one and make that into 10 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can give, since I have 12 tenths, I can give each one 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I just use 12 tenths. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't have any more to divvy out. So here's my answer here. I just have to write it in standard form. Each one of these groups has 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tenths, and 2/100. So my answer would be 1 and 82/100.